Hello, today I'll be talking about the physics of my mimic, which is supposed to be a glider. Now, gliders have three forces acting upon it as seen in this free body diagram below. It has the force of the lift, the force of the weight, and the force of the drag. The force of the lift is what causes the object to stay in the air, the force of the weight is what causes the object to come back toward the earth, and the force of the drag is the force that opposes the forward motion in the y direction, at least in this free body diagram. First, I'll be talking about lift. Now, lift, as I said before, is a mechanical force generated by a solid object moving through a fluid, in my case air, that holds the object in the air. The lift equation is shown below. So lift is equal to 1/2 times the lift coefficient times the density of air times the velocity of an object squared times the wing area. It's the wing area is because in my system, my wings cause the most lift, so you have to take that into account. Then while searching online, I found out the lift coefficient in very simplified cases where the object is traveling at subsonic speeds with a small angle of attack can be equal to 2 times pi times the area angle of attack in radians, and I found it to equal that. Then I found the average density of air. This is my velocity that I calculated, and I found out that my lift is equal to 1.897 e to the negative 4 newtons theoretically. Next, I found my drag. Drag is a mechanical force generated by a solid object moving through a fluid, in my case air again, that opposes the object's forward motion. And the drag force equation is shown below, and its drag is equal to 1/2 times the coefficient of drag times the density of air times the velocity of the object squared times the area of the body. As you can see, there's two main differences, the drag coefficient and the area of the body. This is because in my mimic, my body caused the most drag, so you have to take that into account. And I found that the drag coefficient can be given by a shape, and I found out that my body shape is more closely similar to a cylinder. And I found out that my drag is equal to 7.222 e to negative 5 newtons theoretically. Thank you.